Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change date and time settings on your Canon i-SENSYS MF657. So first, let's go over to the menu from the home page. Now, if you guys don't know how to enter the home page, basically hold this button here, not hold, but click it. And here, go to the menu. So now we need to go over to Preferences. I misclicked here, Preferences, the timer and energy settings, and here we have the date and time settings. So as you guys can see, here we have the time zone and daylight saving time settings. So here we can change the time zone or simply turn the daylight saving time on. So I'll show you guys the second way of changing that. So here we are in the timer settings on the web page. Basically, we need to click on To Portal and then we will need to click on Settings and Registration. Now in the timer settings, let's click on Edit, and here we will have the time zone and use daylight saving time. Basically, it's the same as it was on the printer. Here we can change our time zone. So for example, we can change it to, let's say, Novosibirsk, which is in Russia, or we can change it to anything else like International Dateline West. And here we can disable or enable the daylight saving time. We can select January last, or maybe 2nd and Thursday, and here April 4th and then Wednesday. So this is how we guys basically can set it up. Then we just click OK and it will save automatically. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.